Hey, thanks for visiting Tech Talk. Hope you all are having a great day. Today, I'm going to show you really quick on how to add the extension packs in VirtualBox. It's really simple. So just copy the link in the description below and open it in whatever browser you want. And once it opens, just go ahead and scroll down, and you're going to go under Virtual 7.0.12 under the extension packs. Click All Supported Platforms, and you're going to see a download right at the very top. And then what I would do, just make sure that you have Oracle VMware open at this point, and then go ahead and just click on it to open it. And I think that's the easiest way to go about doing it. And then you'll see this pop up. I've got reinstall, but if you didn't have it installed yet, you would see install, and then I'll go ahead and hit reinstall just for the fun of it. And you'll scroll down until the end, and then I agree will appear. Hit I agree, and that is pretty much it, my friends. You'll see that you might get a little pop-up over here saying that it's installing, but it's a really quick install. But that's it. If you have any trouble, give me a comment down below, but please consider liking, subscribing, and sharing. All right, thanks. Have a great night.